Hey guys, today we're going to be going over List Lab 1. So, uh, this assignment talks about the singly linked list, and we're going to work through each of the things that we wrote in order to make it happen. Well, first off, we have to talk about the list node. Each node in the list has a value, next, get value and get next for both, set value and set next for both. So, the way this is going to work for most of these is that we're going to use those to change aspects about the nodes. So, for copy node, we just create a new list node with the same head value, and then the pointer to null, and we return the copy. Now, if we want to copy a list, we just copy the list recursively until it's null, and then we return null. So it will start at the first node with the head value, and then it will keep going through, adding pointers to the node and to the nodes of when it recurses until it gets to the end. So for this rest one, we just have the check if it's null, and then we have a recursive call here as well, where it basically gets the rest of the list. If we look down here, the rest of the list gets rid of basically the first one. So that's why we have get next and then get value, and that's why we have get next like here. So first here, we'll return value of the first node, or null if the list is empty, of course. So it basically just gets the head's value. The second one will just get the next node and then get its value. The pointer to last just goes through all of the list until it gets to null as the next one, and then it returns the head of that one. And then copy of last. Simple enough, do the exact same thing, and then when we get to the last one, just return a copy instead of the pointer. Insert first. What we have to do for this is that we have to just create a new node at the front and have it point to the head node. Now you can imagine this as a box here. We have the head node and it points to something else. We can imagine us putting a new node before it and having it point to the previous head. Then we return this new head, and that's our new list. Inserting last is simple. We just have to loop until we get to the last thing, like we did previously, and then we just create a new node with the argument that we have here pointing to null, and then we set this last node here, the one we loop to, the last one, we set its next one to this one, so it inserts it at the end, and then we return the initial head, like the first item in the list. Now if we run this, we can see that it prints out the same thing as down here, where basically this is the first list, this is the second list. We can kind of see it right here. So we have, it prints head twice. That's awkward. So anyways, then it prints out the head value, so computer, which is the first item, and then it prints out its thing in memory. And then we create a copy of the head right here, and then we print its value and its place in memory, and you can see they're different. When we copy the list and we print the copy, you can see it's the same. When we use the rest of the list on the copy, we can see that we get everything except computer at the front, which is expected. First of the rest, second of the rest, basically just gets the first and second item. Pointer to last, obviously, is the last thing, and then copy of last is the same thing. You can see these memory things are different. Insert what? If we type P, we can see it inserts P at the beginning and at the end. And that's it. Thanks for watching.